So the topic of the speech is love marriage versus arranged marriage. And we have got a person with us. His name is Ajit Kumar. So Ajit,
Yes,
what would you like to speak on? Love marriage or arranged marriage, sir?
actually, sir, I would love to speak on arranged marriage, sir.
Sure, sir. Your time starts now.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, arranged marriage is better than love marriage because arranged marriage, the decision of not a individual person. Most of the all family member together get and take a decision for the better for our. Because in love marriage we can't take decision with the help of family because no family member are able to favor. This is a very individual and decision, and it may be get in the long term maybe maybe hamper for our life because our parents are very mature in this thing. We are not mature actually. We just only feel the emotion and some like of
So what
love
say
to
that
show.
we choose the wrong partners because of emotions?
Yeah, because of emotion we can choose wrong partner because when in love we can show everything. Actually we don't have but we want to show. When we go yeah when we got married, then we can't able to effort all the things like the emotion, feeling, love, care, and whatever we have so before the marriage. So that time maybe get clash and the major cause of the divorce because I don't have a idea about the data, but most of the love marriage is divorce. So that we strongly believe in arranged marriage because arranged marriage, the family member are always support when
अरे
we
यार,
are
आप
traveling.
ना भाई गलती द फैमिली मेंबर आर ऑलवेज सपोर्ट। देखो मैंने थोड़े से
Yeah,
पहले हैबिट टूल में आप इसे मान लगा दोगे।
yeah, sorry.
मेंबर
So
सपोर्ट
yeah, family member every time support when you are getting traveling
फिर आर लगा
in the bad time and sorry in
then
bad time and good time. Yes, sir. So, and in
हाँ
love marriage, there is not our emotion and feeling because the parent have also feeling and love because they have get effort 20 to 25 years to study and whatever you have required during the unemployed. So they have take decision about you, and I think the parents are more responsible than our decision because always parents think about your positive,
हाँ
not negative. So I strongly believe in ki arranged marriage is good. Yeah, sometime it happen ki nowadays we can also talk before the marriage with the girls and take opinion ki what do you like the most in the person, which type of person would you like the most. So we can share each other to our opinion ki what do you want to do in our life and what do you want to accept someone. Yeah, so they can take decision together and mutual understanding, then we can share with our family if they are agree or not. If they are not agree, we can
नहीं
clearly ki, sir,
एग्री
yeah, if they don't agree, then we can share with our parent ki the girl is not no, don't want to married with me because of some other opinion because we are not understand to each other.
अंडरस्टैंड
So,
वी
so
डू
yeah, yeah, we don't understand. So we have a greater opportunity to take a decision with the help of parents and as individual because both of the opportunity in love marriage, family is not get together for the taking the decision.
नॉट नहीं डोंट
So sorry, family don't get together for the decision.
वेरी
So in my opinion, sir, arranged marriage is better than love marriage.
गुड
Yeah, thank you, sir.